Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I am getting ready to make a cottage cheese cake. Okay, the ingredients that I will need will be the all-purpose flour, the powdered sugar for dusting the cake after it is finished, baking soda, pure vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, raisins, 2 sticks of butter, and this is pure butter, 5 eggs, cottage cheese, vinegar, and sugar. And these are the ingredients that I need to make this cottage cheese cake. So I will come back and tell you a little more about it. Now it calls for raisins, the recipe, but I may not put the raisins in. I may eliminate them, but I'll be back soon. I have started mixing my ingredients for my cottage cheese cake. And you'll see in this large mixing bowl, I have combined the butter, the sugar, the vanilla extract, the cottage cheese, and the 5 egg yolks. I have 2 sticks of pure butter, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of cottage cheese and the 5 egg yolks. And I'm going to beat this really well, get it all good and incorporated. And then I will start combining my flour, my salt, to the butter mixture. Okay? I'll come back and let you see what's going on in just a minute. This is the finished product of the cottage cheese cake. And once I take it out of the pan after it's cooled, I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay? It looks really good. Hadn't sampled it yet, but it looks good. We'll see you in a minute.